via the Aritao road network. Medyo makitid, no, yung road network. We are having a stop over here. Let us see, no, from this vantage, Ambuklao Dam. Now this is Welcome Inigan View Deck, Upper Agno Resource Reserve, Ambuklao, Bulod. It's Benguet, no? So we're here in Benguet na pala. This is part of Benguet pala. Benguet. Dito yung view ng ano to, Ambuklao. Very scenic, no? May iba din yung angle na stop namin. Kitang-kita talaga yung ito. Galing, oh. Interviewin natin si ENP, ano to, RJ Sustiger.
Yes po.
What's your impression of this dam? This is the first time that you saw?
Yes.
That you witnessed?
The dam is big. Where is it? I don't know.
This
Asa na ba?
itong story kasi hindi pa dam, makita yung dams. Ito yung mga holding kanya, holding areas ng water.
Parang ramdam mo yan, parang still siya, no?
Surprisingly, nawala yung mga cage ng mga fishes dyan.
Kasi
Puno yan eh.
So may isda din pala dyan, tilapia, no? So Benguet na pala to. Benguet, rota pala natin is via Benguet pala.
Benguet Road.
Oo.
Ang tawag ko sa kanila is Aritao.
This is Aritao.
Kayapa, Baguio Road.
Aritao Kayapa. Baguio Road, no? So may portion na very... Tanungin natin environmental planner. What's your observation on the reforestation in this area?
parang kulang pa, no?
Kulang pa, no? Deficient, no? More trees. More trees kasi dapat is an area na yung water reserve pero parang hindi ganun ka massive yung reforestation, no?
Watershed, eh.
Oo.
Diba?
Dito tayo para malalo ma-appreciate.
Sa taas dyan?
Oo, sa may restaurant.
Sige, we'll go doon sa restaurant. Yan. I'm with a group of real estate consultants. Mo yung likod ng Philippine Association of Realty Consultants and Specialists. Kaso may mga aso, baka kagatin tayo nito? Ha? View deck ba to? This road is leading to Baguio City. No, parang an hour pa ata yung rota. May friendly naman pala yung mga dogs here. No? So very friendly. Maganda pala dito na area, oh. Wow, super scenic pala dito. Mas maganda pala. Wow. Dito mas magandang view. Diba? Yan, RJ. Grabe, ang ganda ng view. Yan. Wow, sige.